everybody. How are you doing on this? I got a bug on me. How are you doing on this beautiful, humid day? At least it's humid where I'm at. I have this garbage bag because I got to collect a few things that I should have harvested earlier and waited too late. I'm talking about my cucumbers. The orange ones. I got online and they said that they would be bitter and not fit for human consumption. Like this one. Yeah, too right. I waited too late. I have to claim ignorance on this. I have never gardened much before. I mean, last year we did tomatoes and they kind of pretty much took care of themselves. We just watched them grow. Granted, you know, we did use Miracle-Gro dirt. So I've got to say we got to take a little credit where credit's due, you know. Watch this. He's looking for cucumbers. He's sniffing around looking for cucumbers. He loves them. He got a hold of one and started eating them. No, get out of there. Out. That is all I had to say about those, but bummer. And look at this. Isn't it pretty, my zinnias? I didn't know what they were going to be. I wasn't sure if they were a mix of two flowers or not. And I'm still wondering, I think they still are a mix of two flowers because this has ridges on them and these don't. So I'm kind of wondering what that is. Is that a weed? Or is it an actual something I want to keep? There's another one. We'll see. I have no idea. So I gotta take this garbage bag and throw this stuff away. Ooh, look at this. Broccoli! Broccoli coming up. Buddy, you see something? Do you see something? No. Well, actually, I see a little cucumber there that I'm going to go ahead and... No, it's still got pricklies on it. No. I'm not going to pull that one yet. What is it they say about dogs? Let sleeping dogs lie or something like that? Yeah, I don't think so. Hey puppy, wake up. How's it going? Okay, I'm bad. No doubt about that. I'm not one to let sleeping dogs lie. If I want to pet their head, I'll pet their head. Yeah. What was he thinking when he showed up on my doorstep? It has looked like this all day today. I really hope tomorrow is better. Don't you, Betty? Yeah. He's not going to really like it too much, though, because of what we call the boomies. Fireworks. He's not going to like it at all. Where you at? There you are. Stay with me. They already started the fireworks. Oh! Watch this. You want to go in, buddy? Let's go in. He's going in. He'd had enough of that. You ready to go in? Okay, go on in. Well, sorry, buddy. Oops. I wasn't expecting that.